Hello. In certain cases, you might want to check or display whether you're active on a remote desktop session. If you open Task Manager, this information isn't readily available. To check your session type, open a PowerShell or command prompt window. Then, run the following command. As you can see, under the session name, I am connected to this PC using Remote Desktop, RDP. Now, I will log into the computer directly, without using a remote session. This time, the session name is shown as console, which indicates direct access to the device without any remote session. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.